The bridge was humming until, in the blink of an eye, it wasn't. It was December 15th, 1967, just before Christmas, and the air over the Ohio River carried that brittle winter cold that makes metal feel alive. Headlights stacked end to end on the Silver Bridge, families inching home with wrapped gifts on back seats, engines idling, radios murmuring. From the riverbank, the bridge looked solid, trustworthy, ordinary, and that's what makes what happened next so unsettling. Without warning, a sharp crack cut through the noise of traffic, a sound like a gunshot swallowed by steel. In an instant, the bridge didn't sway or creak or give anyone time to understand. It simply broke. A single eye-bar, no thicker than a man's wrist, failed under pressure it carried for decades, and when it snapped, the entire structure followed. Cars dropped as if the road beneath them had been erased. Steel folded into the river. Concrete vanished. Screams were swallowed by freezing water. In less than a minute, the Silver Bridge was gone. 46 people were killed. Some were trapped inside their cars edged into the Ohio River. Others were crushed by collapsing steel. A few survived by chance alone, thrown clear, pulled from the water by strangers who ran toward the wreckage instead of away from it. Rescuers arrived to a scene that felt unreal. Twisted girders jutted from the river like broken bones. Steam rose where engines still ran underwater, and beneath the surface darkness hid what no one wanted to imagine. Here's the chilling part. The bridge didn't fail because of an overload or a storm or an earthquake. It failed because of a flaw smaller than a penny, an internal crack in that single eye-bar, invisible to the naked eye, slowly growing over years. No alarms, no warnings. Just time, stress, and silence. Engineers later realized something terrifying. The Silver Bridge had no redundancy. It was designed so that if one critical part failed, everything would fall. And on that cold December evening, it did. In the aftermath, the disaster changed how America thought about infrastructure. Bridge inspections became mandatory, designs evolved, lessons were written in steel and in loss. But in Point Pleasant, the memory isn't technical. It's human. It's empty chairs at Christmas tables. Names carved into stone, and the quiet knowledge that ordinary moments can fracture without warning. So the next time you cross a bridge, listen to the hum beneath your feet. Remember the Silver Bridge, and remember that sometimes the most catastrophic failures begin with the smallest unseen cracks. If this story moved you, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments what moments stayed with you the longest. Your support helps keep these stories alive.